I'm here today at 605 Victoria Hills Drive, DeLand, Florida. Gorgeous home inside Victoria Park. Just going to do a little virtual tour for you. It's mid-morning when I'm doing this video, so a lot of people out walking this morning. Ironically, I don't see anybody there now. Side entry garage, paver-lined driveway here. 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,619 square feet. New roof in 2021, AC in 2021, tankless water heater 2021, carpet in the bedrooms in 2021, new variable speed pool pump 2021. Let's look around this kind of front living area, and we're going to spin right around here. We're going to check out the primary bedroom. Primary bedroom, beautiful tray ceilings in several places in this home. Looks out, there's a little sitting nook, looks out to the pool. Private entrance, of course, covered lanai. Really nice little place here. Quiet. Victoria Park has several pools, fitness center, clubhouse, pickleball, tennis ball courts. I can go on and on with all kinds of things. We're going to walk into the bedroom here. On the right hand side, there's a large walk-in closet, or I'll show you this closet here. Large walk-in, one of the walk-in closets here. We just passed the other one towards the bedroom. Water closet, and then a couple vanities. I'm only going to show you one of the, or not going to show you all of the second one just because I'm in it. Don't want any broken cameras. Step in shower, of course. Now we're going to zip across. Well, yeah, let's zip across and go look at bedrooms 2 and 3, since they're at this end of the house. A little sitting area, desk area here. Laundry room with sink, tons of cabinetry. Garage has storage units in it. Bedroom 2 here. Decent sized bedrooms. Guest bath, tub shower combo. There's a third bath you'll see in a minute. Sorry for the lighting in here. I wasn't able to get this light on better, but kind of give you a feel of what this home offers. So now we're going to come right into the kitchen, right out of here. There's a reach-in pantry right here on my left. Tons of slide-out cabinetry, tall crown molding, lots of space. Newer appliances. I believe the appliances are new in 2021, 2022, including that double oven. Little eating area here that overlooks the pool. Main area. Okay. Of course, triple pocket sliders here on my right. Leads the pool. We'll see more of that in a minute. Tile throughout this home except for the bedrooms. Tall ceilings, recessed lighting, tray ceilings in several places. This here's bedroom 4. This might make a nice little in-law type room. A closet here and a bath right outside it. Kind of has its own space in the house, kind of in the back, away from everybody else. Of course, the bath. Vanity, same thing as before. Walk-in shower. And let's go take a look. Let's go head out to the pool area. Sitting area. Ceiling fan, even tall ceilings even out here. Beautiful pool, well kept. Very quiet. You notice you're not hearing much. Hearing some water dripping out is about it. Beautifully landscaped. A lot of privacy here too. This little area here, nice place for I don't know, cool drink at night or warm cup of coffee in the morning. And that's about it. 605 Victoria Hills Drive, DeLand, Florida. Thanks for watching.